In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your iPad keyboard bigger. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you're on an application, for example, if I'm on YouTube, and I'll just go ahead and full screen this right now. I go to search YouTube, and right now my keyboard's here, but let's say for you, it might be small or anything like that. It might be looking like this. What you can do is using your fingers, you could basically pinch it to resize it and then move it wherever you want. So if you want to make it smaller, you can go ahead and do that as well and move it wherever you want to. Like for example, if it's blocking like a thumbnail or a video, or if you want to make it bigger, literally just drag with two fingers and swipe outwards, and then that's it. It's going to resize it and you'll be good to go, and you'll be good to go to type wherever you want. And it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to let us know down in the comments below what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.